I have a newish student in the It's All Yoga membership, and she is loving yoga. Like, she is probably talking about yoga at the grocery store. She's the new ambassador for yoga practice. She's newly retired, and she keeps expressing that she's been bummed about not having started earlier. Like, I wish I would have started earlier, and if only, and my body. And so, you know the saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is today. So we've been kind of talking about that, and she said, probably if I had started back in my corporate life, I would have approached it with the same, like, go, 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 fit it in. I've got to be good. I've got to do all the right things. I have to get it correct. And she said, now I'm doing it because I love it. It brings me joy. I want to come. Like, I am so excited to come to classes. And I'm appreciating what it's doing for my body rather than just ticking a box of, like, I had to fix that. It's like, no, this is so fun and it feels amazing. And it's just such a different approach. So I'm just so excited. I hope this is how we can approach many things in our lives. Not to check the box, not because we think we're broken or we need fixing, but because it brings forth joy and enjoyment and pleasure and beauty and feels good. So go forth and plant your tree today. Today is the best time.